Most people choose a bank without thinking twice, but the surprising truth is that the wrong bank can cost you time, money, and peace of mind. Today, we're taking an honest look at South State Bank so you can decide if it's right for you. South State Bank is a regional bank serving customers across several U.S. states. It offers checking, savings, business accounts, loans, and digital banking tools. The bank is known for its community focus and customer service. One of the biggest advantages is personalized service. Many customers report faster help compared to large national banks. Mobile banking is simple, allowing you to deposit checks, transfer money, and pay bills easily. However, South State has fewer branches than major banks, which may be limiting if you travel often. Some accounts also come with monthly fees unless balance requirements are met. Most people get this wrong by assuming all banks are the same. The surprising truth is that customer experience can vary widely. In conclusion, South State is best for those who value community banking with modern tools. Subscribe for more honest financial reviews.